In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo added to cart flow. Start by opening your Klaviyo dashboard. Make sure you are in the correct account and workspace so the flow is created in the right place. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click on the Flows tab. This is where Klaviyo stores all automated sequences, including cart and checkout related messages. Next, go to the top right corner and click the Create Flow button. When Klaviyo shows you options for templates and starting points, choose Create from Scratch. This gives you full control over the structure and timing, which is important for an added to cart reminder. Now you will name your flow. Type added to cart flow as the flow name. Using a clear, consistent name makes it easier to manage later, especially if you have multiple flows for different audiences or product categories. After that, you will set up the trigger. Select metric as the trigger type. A metric trigger means the flow starts when a specific customer action is recorded. Click the drop-down for the metric selection and choose Added to Cart. This ensures the automation begins the moment someone adds an item to their cart. With the trigger selected, go into the trigger sidebar and click Flow Filters. This area is where you can control who qualifies to enter the flow based on conditions connected to the trigger. Once you have opened Flow Filters, click Save. Even if you are not adding extra conditions right now, saving confirms the trigger settings and keeps your configuration locked in. Next, build the timing and message. Drag a time delay block directly under the trigger and set it to 2 hours. This delay gives shoppers time to complete checkout on their own, while still following up soon enough to be relevant. Under the delay, drag in an email block. This will be your cart reminder email. Click Configure Content to design the message, and focus it around a clear "You left this in your cart" reminder. Keep the content simple. Highlight the product they left behind, and make your call to action obvious so it is easy for them to return to their cart. Finally, when everything looks correct, switch the flow status to Live in the top right corner. This activates the automation so it can begin sending to real customers. And that covers everything you need to know.